Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and today's daily rant goes at trust. What trust? Well, the trust that we all give companies or don't give companies, and why we lose trust in companies, and why it is crucial that these companies fix that, because it is a real problem. Now, we all talk about Microsoft, doing stuff and putting ads and adding features we don't really care about. And what happens is that, first of all, a lot of people get mad at the fact that, well, they're adding these features I never asked for. They're adding Copilot. I don't want this. There's the sneaky way of doing one thing, and it's to add a feature that you can't remove unless, of course, you use third-party apps to do it. And, having this, for example, do you want to auto-start add login or not? So it's asking here. This is the latest version, probably. But sometimes it doesn't ask. And, if you look at Microsoft, lack of communication, doing bad things, sending things that people don't want, forcing them into some other app that they didn't want, like, for example, moving from Mail and Calendar into Outlook. And then you have HP that you learn, they're having you wait 15 minutes for absolutely nothing, just because they hope that you're going to go to the website instead to find the info you want. And then you have, of course, all sorts of things happening. Companies like, Google that are telling you, well, this is for your own good that we do something. And, for example, the Manifest v3. But how, where do you draw the line and explaining, well, if you're not going after ad blockers, what exactly are you doing with Manifest v3? You're not explaining it very well, and you know what? People are losing trust in everybody. People are now losing trust in all the companies that at one point, weren't so bad. I mean, how did Microsoft go from Windows 95 with people lining up at midnight to get their copies of Windows 95 to people that just don't care about Windows 11? They don't want it. This is a question in itself. Of course, when you look in the past, Microsoft has a lot of little demons here and there that are showing up over time. But yet, what? Sad about it is that if you want your company to thrive into the future, you got to establish trust. You want people to use recall? Well, you got to establish trust, because recall is a feature that, relies on you are trusting that app, that it's, just on your system and there's no danger, there's no snooping of data and so on. Well, you can't really have that trust if your company does so many things that people hate and don't care and are, mad about. Well, of course, they're not going to trust anything you do. So all of these companies need to actually sit down and I would actually have, build a trust board. Have, a few guys sit down and say, okay, what's wrong with the communication? What's wrong with what we do? And how can we fix it? I mean, it's crucial for all of these companies to do so. And, you add to the fact that companies are lying about their data. So you'll see things like, I've got this new CPU and this is, 45% faster. And then what? You're not even explaining what. Apple is one of the best in there. 3 times faster. 3 times faster than what? The previous one? 3 times faster than what exactly? We don't know. You're not telling us what's reference of it. And so, trust is everything. And I guess Apple does have maybe an advantage for a lot of people and trustworthiness, if you want. But even there, they also use the tactics of the others of lying about performance, lying about different things. So trust is everything, and these companies don't. A lot of companies, if not most companies, don't have people's trust. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.